Grand Rapids Montessori families. Welcome to our 2020-2021 virtual open house. Mr. Morris and myself would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to you for attending tonight and for your continued support throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, both this past spring and this fall. During the virtual open house, you will have the opportunity to meet with your child's teacher and hear about their plans to start the school year. Mr. Morris will now share the tentative schedule with you all.
Hello, everybody. Tonight we will have 4 different rotations scheduled for you so that you will have the opportunity to meet each teacher that your student might have. Each rotation will be approximately 30 minutes, enabling you to meet with each teacher if you have multiple students enrolled here at Grand Rapids Montessori. The schedule will run first session 5 o'clock to 5:25, second session 5:30 to 5:55, third session 6 o'clock to 6:25, and fourth session 6:30 to 6:55. In our secondary programs, our middle school teachers will hold their sessions all together, and our high school staff will also hold their sessions all in a group. You will have the opportunity to ask questions for about 5 to 10 minutes at the end, and if time runs out before you can ask your questions, teachers and administrators will be available to answer them through email or phone calls. We briefly wanted to just mention our expectations for online classroom behavior for this year. Our behavior matrix, as you can see, represents grace, growth, responsibility, acceptance, courtesy, and empathy. We will also be sharing this out on Facebook and through email. The big categories we're looking at is how students are acting during class meetings, office hours, how they behave on Google Classroom or Seesaw, expectations for learning while at home, and expectations of how to practice using technology.
One of the ways that we can ensure success for our students during distance learning is through communication. As a building, we will always try to communicate with parents through emails, robocalls, and social media posts. If you are on Facebook and have not liked our page, please take this opportunity to like Grand Rapids Montessori on Facebook. We will be posting messages and other important information regularly. You can also reach both Mr. Morse and myself through email, which are listed here on the screen.
On Thursday, we sent out welcome back videos for families and students. If you missed these videos, they can be found on Facebook. Again, that was last week, Thursday. These videos have some crucial information in them regarding expectations for students, scheduling, and resources and technology needs if you have any.
We are extremely lucky to have a very active PTA here at GR Montessori. Over the years, amazing support to our teaching staff and Montessori community as a whole. They wanted to share a short video with our families for the virtual open house, and we encourage you to watch it for information on how you can get involved. We will send you the link to that video and also post it on Facebook. Thank you so much once again for attending our virtual open house tonight. Have a great evening and an even better kickoff to the school year. Thank you.